Our planet has a new companion. Scientists have confirmed the discovery of a second moon orbiting Earth. This is an exciting development in the field of astronomy. This mini-moon is much smaller than our familiar moon. In fact, it's so small that it can be easily overlooked. It is about the size of a bus, making it a fascinating object to study. The mini-moon has been named 2024 PT5. This name will go down in the history of space exploration. 2024 PT5 was first spotted by astronomers in September 2024. This discovery was a result of their relentless efforts. They were using a powerful telescope in South Africa, which is known for its clear skies and advanced astronomical facilities. The telescope is located in a place called Sutherland. This location is ideal for observing celestial objects. At first, they thought it was just another asteroid. However, further observations revealed something extraordinary. But then they realized it was orbiting our planet. This was a groundbreaking moment for the team. Earth's gravity captured this tiny object. This phenomenon is known as gravitational capture. Now it is circling us, just like our moon. This adds a new dimension to our understanding of Earth's gravitational influence. But there's a catch. 2024 PT5 won't be around for long. It is expected to leave Earth's orbit in a few years, making its presence a temporary but fascinating chapter in our cosmic story. 2024 PT5 is an asteroid. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit our Sun. Most asteroids live in a region called the asteroid belt. This belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. Sometimes an asteroid's orbit gets disturbed. It can be nudged by the gravity of a planet, like Jupiter. This can send the asteroid on a new path closer to Earth. That's probably what happened to 2024 PT5. It was likely pushed out of the asteroid belt. Then Earth's gravity pulled it in. 2024 PT5 is considered a mini-moon or a temporary satellite. These fascinating objects are small asteroids that get caught in Earth's gravitational pull. It is only temporarily bound to Earth, making it a fleeting visitor in our cosmic neighborhood. The gravitational pull of the Sun and our Moon will eventually tug it away, sending it back into the vast expanse of space. Astronomers estimate that 2024 PT5 will remain in Earth's orbit until November 2024. During this time, it will be closely studied by scientists. After that, it will escape our planet's grasp and resume its journey around the Sun, continuing its solitary voyage. Mini-moons, like 2024 PT5, are not uncommon. They are part of a fascinating dance of celestial objects that occasionally visit our planet. They have visited Earth before, each one offering a unique opportunity for observation and study. But they are difficult to spot because they are so small and faint, often blending into the backdrop of the night sky. Though 2024 PT5 is a fleeting visitor, it offers a valuable opportunity for scientists to learn more about our cosmic neighborhood. Studying mini-moons can teach us more about asteroids and their composition, which in turn helps us understand the building blocks of our solar system. Scientists can use telescopes to observe 2024 PT5's brightness and how it reflects light, providing crucial data. This can tell them about the asteroid's shape, size, and what it is made of, offering insights into its origins and history. Someday, we might even be able to send a spacecraft to study a mini-moon up close, unlocking even more secrets of these celestial bodies. Each mini-moon that we discover adds to our understanding of the solar system, enriching our knowledge of the universe. These tiny visitors remind us that space is a dynamic and ever-changing place, full of mysteries waiting to be explored and understood.